Introduction to Java. Java is a high-level programming language. It was originally developed by Sun Microsystem and released in 1995. Java runs on various platforms such as Windows, macOS, and Linux. Some pros and cons of Java. Pros: easy to use, portable, security, and object oriented. Cons: static typing and less productive than Python. In which fields you can use Java? You can use Java in web development, game development, mobile app development. The only field you cannot use Java is data analysis. So this is the Java introduction in 1 minute.